What's up guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is an Hyundai i10 2013. And what we've done on this vehicle is we fully retrofitted in an aftermarket stereo, the Pioneer SPH-160DAB. As you can see, beautifully installed. And obviously this system comes with full Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can connect your phone to the system. So go connect to USB and it will give you access to CarPlay and Android Auto. So I'm going to show you CarPlay here. So yeah, that's CarPlay. You know, this gives you access to maps, navigation, Spotify, all that you can do on this system, because obviously it doesn't come with built-in navigation. So you can use your phone and any supported apps on your phone will show up on the screen. System also comes with DAB, so you've got DAB here, full DAB with all the stations, and you can see the antenna there beautifully installed as well. And additionally, what we've installed on this vehicle is a reverse camera. So if I put it into reverse, as you can see, the reverse camera comes up nice and clear. Also, I'm going to show you where we installed the camera. So as you can see, right there is the camera. So yeah, if you want to get this kind of system conversion kit installed on your Hyundai, you know, it could be any year, but if you come by, we can show you what systems we can put on it. You know, Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG2 6QA, 2A County Gardens. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos guys, because we do have lots of videos coming out with different cars, so you can see if your car is going to be supported with stuff like this. You know, if you can change the radio, you know, put a camera on it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and yeah, thank you very much for watching.